Just came across a little hidden gem. We're out taking a ride, and we came across this multi-level waterfall in a little town. I wouldn't even call it a town. It's some houses and a few shops, called Varden in Pennsylvania, in southeast, well, actually we're in South Wayne, but it's just a beautiful little spot. And up here to the right is what used to be the mill, and I imagine they used the water the original clean energy way by just a wheel to take care of the corn, refine it and get it ready. But what a beautiful little spot. Just a shorty. I come across a place of interest that I think you might just be fun to look at. But it's multi-level. I think it's total of 6 levels. There's a little lake up above, and it collects water, and this is the runoff. But this is one of the buildings here, and now residential. The people use them as garages. But just a pretty spot. Okay, if you like the videos, give me a thumbs up. Even think about subscribing. I don't put on that much, but whenever I see something interesting, not always the same thing. Anything I find interesting, I'll put out to you. But anyway, any comments you have, put them on. I'll get back to you. All right. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on down the road.